Hi, and welcome to Marsha's Mush and Stuff. And today we are doing a Trash to Treasure Craft My Stash DIY. And here are some of the supplies you will need: hot glue sticks, scissors, this wood crate, some ribbon. I chose lace, this wood tent from Amazon. The apple barrel paint I did not end up using. The home decor, I absolutely love that. That is to stain the crate. And I did not use this chalk paint either, but I was just showing you some different options, and of course some brushes and baby wipes. So come back with your foam brush, and this wood tint actually looked a lot darker when I poured it out. I thought, oh no, this is too dark. It's been sitting around for a while, and I thought, see, it looks almost black. And I thought, oh no, that's not going to work. Take that sticker off too. But once I started applying it, I was going quite easy at first. And then I thought, no, that's not going to work. So you'll see I start going deeper and getting into all those crevices, because you definitely want to get everywhere. You don't want to leave any of the natural wood showing. And then take your baby wipe and wipe that off. So I went in sections, is how I did it. And I did go over that several times. The more you wipe it, the oil from the baby wipe really does give it a wood grain effect. And you can see that right there. So I don't think the camera's actually doing it justice, but I did go in the crevices as well. And the more you wipe, the lighter it gets. And you guys, check that out. See on the sides there, the wood grain. It just looks so natural. It looks like I bought it that way. And then I even go down on the inside as well, because I want all to match. And this, again, matches my home decor quite well. So here's the end result after I used the baby wipe all the way around, even on the inside. That one little corner was being quite difficult, but I did end up getting that as well. Again, do the bottom, and even the little handles, go in between those and wipe those off. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications as well. And then we're going to take this Rust-Oleum satin paint in lilac color, and we're going to use Trash to Treasure. So this Frappuccino Starbucks jar, I actually saved several of those. So we're going to take those outside and spray paint them. I wanted to show you this. I always turn them upside down to spray paint them. Just gets better coverage that way. And while that's drying, here's some DIYs I have done before, simply by gluing a shadow box to a candlestick. And here is another floral arrangement that I made using a mason jar. So how cute are those? So now that these are dry and I've brought them back inside, I'm going to lightly sand all around these, especially anywhere there's like wording or any types of little bumps. Again, you definitely want to get those. And I just love the distressed look. So there's before and there's after. So we're going to go ahead and sand that one. It looks like I'm really going to town with the sanding sponge. However, I'm doing this slightly. I've sped it up for video purposes. But get the bottom, like I said, anywhere with bumps and grooves, you definitely want to get that. And you guys, once you finish sanding, make sure that you wipe it off with a damp cloth and then a dry cloth after that, just to get any remaining residue off of there. And that's what I'm showing you right here. And so there you see. So now we're going to take the lace ribbon and apply that around the neck. I always apply the glue to the ribbon, not the jar. That way I have better placement of where I want it. And so there is that around the neck of the bottle. So that's really cute, but I want to step it up a notch. So I cut my tail. This is how I make a very easy, simple bow. I fold it in half, I crease it, and then I glue it down. So this will become my tail. And then I also cut them at an angle. I don't know if that's really considered dovetail or not, but that's how I do it. Just a simple, easy bow. And those are ever so cute. But go ahead, and I went around about 4 times with the lace ribbon, just looping it, and then took some twine, tied it tightly in the center 2 times, and then snipped off any excess twine. And then glue that, fluff your bow out, and then glue that to the top, right in the center of that tail. And look at that. Ever so pretty. Now we're going to take these lavender picks that I did pick up from the Dollar Tree. Also, the crate was from the Dollar Tree, and the lace ribbon as well. Those are too tall like that. So the floral scissors I had just recently hauled, I take those, and they did work great. I have to admit, even though I had to go back and forth, they really did. They went through that whole stem because I may want to use these again. So, in another DIY. So, definitely fluff them out a bit. And I will say, you guys, these lavender picks shed. And you can see that on those cutting boards underneath. So, again, just spread those out and make sure that you cut them both the same size. So there they are. And look how ever so pretty that is. And again, I love the rustic weathered look. Here is the hello that I did with the daisies and the lemon. I had recently hauled that, made a floral arrangement. But here's the end result of this trash to treasure. And I did slow this down for you so that you could really see what that crate looks like. Love using the baby wipes. Such a great idea. And again, fluff the bows out. The one was a little stuck to the other there, but you can see. And again, just want to keep it the way it is in case I do want to repurpose this. And you guys, I have $3 and maybe 50 cents because I still have tons of spray paint left and tons of the ribbon. So I'm only including the lavender picks and the crate. So that would be $3. But there it is, and I hope you enjoyed watching. And until the next time, I will see you then. Have a great day.